Hello again guys, in this quick video I'll show you how to turn off or deactivate online status on Instagram. Open your Instagram application and then from here go to your profile. Then choose or tap the three horizontal lines located at the top right portion. Then choose from the list settings. And then from here, choose privacy and scroll down. Then choose from the list of options the activity status. Then if you want to turn off, which means that no one will know you that you are online or checking or doing any activities on your Instagram, just turn this option and that's it guys. I hope that this video helps you a lot. Keep following this channel for more video tips. Thank you.